Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Facebook settings and navigating to apps and websites. This gives you the control panel. Sign into the account tied to the app because permissions are account-specific. Once there, select Active to see what currently has access. Check Expired to find apps that lost permissions, and Removed to review what was deleted. This step ensures you operate on the right app entry and lays the groundwork for changing permissions, removing access, or reconnecting services. You now inspect the chosen app's permissions to decide what to change and why. Overgranted permissions are the most common problem. Revoke any access you don't need, because fewer permissions reduce breakage and privacy risk. If the app lost connection, use Reconnect or Login with Facebook to reauthorize. This refresh often fixes token expiry. Make sure to follow in-app prompts and approve only required scopes. Once saved, test the app immediately so you can spot remaining issues. Finish by testing the app or website function. Try a common action that previously failed so you validate the fix. If issues persist, clear browser cache, cookies, or reinstall the mobile app because stale data often causes errors. For developer-owned apps, inspect the app's Facebook developer settings and valid OAuth redirect URIs, misconfigurations there break logins. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: reauthorize the app to refresh its access token, then retest to confirm the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.